NRI Taxation Consultancy, Hassle-Free Compliance and Maximum Savings. By Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. If you're an NRI earning income in India or planning to invest or sell property, understanding NRI taxation is crucial. With different rules, frequent updates, and cross-border complexities, NRI taxation can be challenging. But don't worry, we're here to simplify it for you. At Filings Corner, our expert chartered accountants specialize in NRI tax planning, ITR filing, TDS advisory, repatriation, and much more. Why do NRIs need tax consultancy? Here's why NRI tax planning is essential. Complex tax rules, separate laws for income earned in India and abroad, double taxation. Avoid paying tax twice with DTAA benefits. TDS management. High TDS rates on property sales, rent, and capital gains. Frequent law changes. Stay updated and avoid non-compliance penalties. Cross-border transactions. Ensure legal repatriation of funds and proper documentation. With Filings Corner by your side, you get expert help to manage all of this, legally, efficiently, and stress-free. Our specialized NRI tax services. Let's walk you through how we help NRIs stay compliant and save more. 1. NRI ITR Filing and Compliance. We help you file accurate tax returns for all income sources in India. Salary or pension, rental income from Indian property, capital gains on sale of property, shares, or mutual funds, professional or business income, dividend, interest, or any other taxable income. Property transactions and capital gains advisory. Whether you're selling or buying property in India, we've got your back. When selling property, plan capital gains tax, 30% STCG, 20% LTCG. Ensure accurate TDS deductions and help claim refunds. Get expert assistance in repatriating funds abroad legally. When buying property, ensure proper TDS deduction and compliance. Get help with loan processing and tax benefits. Full support on property documentation and legalities. 3. Lower TDS Certificate, Form 13. Why let excess TDS be deducted when you can avoid it? We help you apply for nil or lower TDS certificates, useful for property sales, rental income, capital gains, and interest. Prevent refund delays and improve cash flow. 4. DTAA Advisory. Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. As an NRI, you may be taxed in 2 countries, but with DTAA, we help you. Avoid double taxation on income like salary, interest, or business income. Claim reduced tax rates on dividends, royalties, and more. Stay compliant in both India and your country of residence. 5. TDS Refunds and Repatriation Compliance. We assist you in claiming refunds for excess TDS deducted, filing Form 15CA, 15CB for repatriating funds abroad, ensuring FEMA compliance for smooth fund transfers. 6. Investment taxation and wealth planning. Whether you're investing in mutual funds, stocks, or FDs in India, we help you. Choose tax-efficient investments. Understand the tax impact of repatriable versus non-repatriable assets. Plan for inheritance, gifts, and estate transfers. 7. NRI Tax Dispute Resolution and Appeals. Got a notice? Facing scrutiny? We'll represent you before tax authorities. Respond to scrutiny notices or assessments. File appeals before the ITAT, Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. Provide end-to-end support for NRI tax disputes. Why choose Filings Corner for NRI tax services? Expert CA team customized tax planning cross-border expertise. 100% legal and transparent, hassle-free process. Get expert NRI tax help. Today, don't let tax complications eat into your income or peace of mind. Visit www.filingscorner.com to learn more. Filings Corner. Global compliance, local expertise, maximum savings.